The next time you are enjoying your breakfast, take a second look at it. It could make you thousands. Welcome to Fun Facts. In 2008, two Virginia sisters were sitting at the table having breakfast. They decided to have cornflakes, something they had regularly most mornings. But on this particular day, they were staring at their cornflakes and noticed something remarkable. One of their cornflakes was shaped like the state of Illinois. The sisters had a brainwave and wondered if they could sell it. Fun fact: the cornflake went up on eBay and sold for an astonishing $1,350. Who might buy such an item for this kind of price, might you ask? It was purchased by Monty Kerr, the owner of a trivia website from Austin, Texas. He explained that he wanted the special piece of cereal for his traveling museum. We hope you enjoyed this fun fact. Check out one of our other videos for facts that will truly amaze you.